Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is Haq Nawaz, lecturer in English, and this video is from AppSec's online support program. This lecture is for class 8, subject English language, and today's topic is intensifiers. Dear students, what is called intensifiers? Intensifiers are words that make adjectives and adverbs stronger. Basically, the function of intensifier is to make give stronger meaning of adjectives and adverbs. For example, it's a very interesting story. When I exclude very word from this sentence will be it's a very interesting story. So here interesting is an adjective, and there is a word which is making stronger the word adjective interesting. That word is very. So here very is intensifier. Next sentence, everyone was very excited. Excited here is an adjective. So there is a word which is making meaning stronger of excited, that is very. Next, it's a really interesting story, same as the above sentence. So interesting here, it's a really interesting story. So interesting here adjective, and the word which is making stronger meaning of interesting, that word is really. So here the word really is intensifier. Everyone was extremely excited. Excited here is an adjective, and the word extremely is making stronger the word excited, adjective. So the word extremely here is intensifier. We call these words intensifiers. Other intensifiers are like example amazingly, exceptionally, incredibly, particularly, remarkably, unusually, etc., etc. Intensifiers with strong adjectives. How do we use intensifiers with strong adjectives? For example, there is a word very big. We call it enormous or huge. For example, very small. We replace the word tiny. Very clever, brilliant. Very bad, awful, terrible, disgusting, dreadful. Very sure, certain. Very good, excellent, perfect, ideal, wonderful, splendid. Very tasty, delicious. So basically, here is a note that we do not normally use very with these adjectives. Like with other adjectives we were using word very, but with these adjectives we do not use word very. We do not say something is very enormous or someone is very brilliant. We don't say. We just say that it's enormous. It means it is very big. It is huge. Or someone is brilliant, it means he is good enough. So with strong adjectives we normally use intensifiers like absolutely, really, completely, quite, exceptionally, totally, particularly, utterly. For example, the film was absolutely awful. He was an exceptionally brilliant child. We don't use very brilliant child. No, he was an exceptionally brilliant child. The food smelled really disgusting. We don't use very disgusting. We said that the food smelled really disgusting. So here was the notable thing that with strong adjectives we use words absolutely, completely, exceptionally, particularly, etc. etc. Adjectives as intensifier. How and where do we use adjectives as an intensifiers? We use some adjectives as intensifier with nouns. For example, absolute, complete, total, perfect, real, utter, etc. etc. We say he is a complete idiot. They were talking utter nonsense. But we do not say that the idiot was complete. We don't say, because complete here is idiot here is an adjective, but there is a word complete which is making the word adjective stronger, that is complete. So in any sentence we do not say that the idiot was complete, the nonsense they were talking was utter, but we say that they were talking utter nonsense. Nonsense here is an adjective, and utter which is making stronger the word nonsense. So here we understood that basically intensifiers are those words which make stronger form of adjectives, or adverbs also as well. So when a word which is making stronger meaning of adjectives and adverbs, we call them intensifiers. In our last lecture we have learned about quantifiers, and today we have done intensifiers. We have done chapter number 4 complete. Next inshallah we will learn chapter number 5. If you have any question regarding this chapter,